Welcome to this course. My name is Leon Chaudhry. I'm an award-winning inventor, speaker, and successful entrepreneur from Berlin, Germany. In this course, I will put my brain on paper. Do you want to take the next step in your career, or simply want to learn something new? Well, then this course is what you were looking for. This course does not just consist of video lectures, but goes with dozens of projects, free mentoring, and other helpful material. Because let's be frank, if I know one thing, it's this. The task of the modern educator is not to cut down jungles, but to irrigate deserts. I will take you on a journey and show you exactly from start to finish how to acquire some of the most important skills there are. No secrets will be left out. No aspects will remain untouched. Taking this course is simply not just taking any other course here on Udemy. It is opening up the mind for something new, something exciting. Let's take this journey together. Enroll now, and we'll see each other in the next video.